Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can increase memory limit in HostingR. First you need to log in your HostingR account and then put your login credential, click on login. Then it will be logged. Then you will see this type of dashboard, and now on the top bar here you can see website. Click on that and then select your website which one you want to increase the memory limit. Click on manage, and on the left panel here you can see menu item. Scroll down, click on advanced and then go to PHP configuration. Now here you can see three options: PHP version, PHP extension and PHP option. So we need to go our PHP option. Click on this and scroll down and scroll down, and here you can see memory limit. So click on this and you will find all of option. Then select the maximum memory limit and then scroll down and hit the save button. Okay, so we have successfully increased the memory limit. So this is how you can increase the memory limit in HostingR. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button.